when that comes out, you heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again. So let me fix the screen here. One moment. Okay guys, welcome again, a new live stream. So well, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin in 1 day chart. Remember my technical analysis 1 week ago, a few days ago actually, it was around here, right? It was Bitcoin sideways, right? Sideways or downside. In this case, as you can see here, Bitcoin is in sideways, holding very well, actually very well, $67,000. And I can tell you right now, today I cancel my short. And the reason is because of timing, right? Timing is very important. When I open shorts, it's because I was here around 1 week ago. And now Bitcoin is about to test a sell line here, as you can see here. And Bitcoin is holding. So actually it's doing very, very good. It's getting ready for a bounce here. And also volatility here in 1 day chart is contracting here. So Bitcoin is getting ready for a move. And looks like, right, as long as $67,000 is holding, looks like it's going to be to the upside in this case. So let me show you here another setup very interesting here. One of the reasons I closed my position actually today, and I opened a long position in around $68,000 is because the volatility in 12-hour chart is contracting here. We have a buy signal here. So looks like Bitcoin is getting ready for a bounce here. 1 second. Okay. So yeah, Bitcoin is doing very good. It's not moving, as you can see here. Bitcoin is still in the same range between 67 and 69, but now looks like Bitcoin is getting ready for a major move, where with this volatility at least $73,000. I think we will see very soon. Yep. But don't get me wrong. Usually when we see this kind of setups here, Bitcoin likes to build better variance in 1 day chart here. So if we see a new high, well, very good, right? But as I said before, potentially we could see something like this, right? Let me show you here. We have another example you can see here. So now this is a 1 day chart, right? And let's talk about 4-hour. The entry in 4-hour chart was yesterday. Yesterday. It was actually a weekend. I don't trade weekends, right? It's not perfect, but yeah, around here. And volatility also is contracting here. So Bitcoin is getting ready for another move. Looks like it's going to be to the upside, okay? It's going to be to the upside. Actually, very good, right? Very good. Bitcoin is still bullish. Remember, I have to cancel my short, and I'm very happy because I canceled my short. That was actually, I told you last week, like if I cancel my short, it's because, well, Bitcoin is holding the range, right? To the chart, we still have the momentum to the upside, and also to the chart, we have the momentum to the upside. A weekly chart, let me show you here. We have still a sell signal here present. Volatility super contracted here. So, but well, let's see, maybe another leg up to maybe 72, 74, maybe potentially even a little bit higher, maybe with this volatility. And now let's continue with the monthly close. The monthly close actually is very interesting here because the momentum is still to the upside, as you can see here. And as I said before, Bitcoin must close in July, right? In July. In the next month, because we are watching. Also, I'm watching by monthly, about 74K. Right now here, as you can see here, Bitcoin is just in monthly sideways. It's in sideways actually. Yes, here the momentum is still to the upside here, and it's very interesting here because next month in July we will see a test of the MA55 in the monthly here. Let's see what is going to happen here. But remember, it's just about time. These are better variance information. In some point this year, we will see this setup, but well, at least not this month. Looks like that, right? So I am bullish in Bitcoin. Yes, remember, as I said before, if I close my position today, it's because Bitcoin is doing very well. It's doing very well, holding the range. Remember what I said before, right? Sideways, downside. In this case, Bitcoin is in sideways above the MA55, holding this area around here. As long as Bitcoin is above $67,000, where is the volume profile, everything should be fine for another leg up. Now let's continue with the USD dominance. One moment. Sorry, my cat is crazy. Okay, so one moment. Yeah, sorry. So let's continue. In one day chart, as you can see here, the momentum is still to the upside. We have a buy signal here, but the momentum in some point this week, we will see the solid line testing here, and looks like Bitcoin dominance, sorry, USD dominance is getting rejected here by the MA55, as you can see here. So any break below 4.35%, something like that, we will see continuation to the downside. Now let's think about this. Like, okay, let's see. Weekly chart, actually, as you can see here, in weekly chart, USD dominance is wasting time as well here. Any close below 4.30%, you will see another leg down. The next point, the next area should be around 3.45. But remember this, in the monthly, I cannot be bearish here because it's the monthly, right? And the MA55 is testing right now here, is holding actually. So if we see a leg up, it shouldn't be like too crazy. Maybe another test to 4%, 3.50, something like that, but no more than that. Because here, remember what I said before, like many times, every time when I see an asset testing the MA55, of course, it's about time. Because this is monthly, it's going to take all the year. And after that, continuation to the upside. Because this is an uptrend, okay? This is an uptrend, so that's why I am telling you right now it is. So if we see a bounce here in Bitcoin, yes, very happy. I am in long, but I am not holding. I will just close my position when is the time to sell again, okay? So Bitcoin is holding, is wasting time. Well, no wasting time. It's in sideways since Mars, as you can see here. All the rest of the year is getting ready for another move, another leg up. Usually when you see Bitcoin holding like this, like 3-4 months, another $10,000 usually is the move. In this case, right, looks like it's gonna pump. So from here to around $79,000 to $80,000. Let's see. Remember what I said, the top of the market I said before is around 75 to 85. Honestly, I'm still looking for, but maybe this could be the potential top, but now Bitcoin is looking better right now. Let's see. One more thing is like there is no volume here in one day chart. So that's why if we see this move, I want to see Bitcoin closing candles above 74K because it's going to be very risky opening loans right now. Give me one moment.
And when that comes out, you heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Sorry, Amazon. Okay, so let's continue. As you can see here right now, the market, well, I'm still waiting. We are still waiting actually for the next move, but looks like it's like this, right? Sideways, time is over, and looks like Bitcoin is getting ready for a continuation. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's continue with the stock market. But I mean, Bitcoin is not moving, right? It's doing the same thing as like 1 week ago. So that's why, well, let's continue with the stock market and let's see what we can, if we see something interesting here. Let me show you here the SP 500. One second. Yeah, okay. So we have here Bitcoin in 1-day chart, as you can see. You see, that's the bound, the pullback, and after that a bounce. That's actually was very, very obvious here. So it's continuation. This thing is gonna keep pumping. Yeah, the trend is your friend. Yeah, with this bounce, actually, you will see a buy signal here in the very, very soon, maybe next week, I think, and you will see a potential maybe new high here, potential new high continuation for the stock market. So it's still bullish, still bullish. And I cannot forget this. Remember, same as Bitcoin, various averagings in the monthly. Eventually this year we will see something like this. Maybe by the end of the year, right? Because it's monthly, right? So we have to, at least in my case, even if Bitcoin right now is looking better, I cannot forget, right? In the monthly, I have to be careful, right? Okay, so let's continue with Cardano, for example. Cardano in weekly chart, because I know some of you are holding Cardano and also Solana and Ethereum. So Cardano is doing well. Actually, he's doing very good. As long as it's above here, 0.40 cents, as I said before, a long time ago, and it's holding the MA55. Eventually, we will see a buy signal here very soon. Maybe by the end of the month, potentially. And the volatility contracting here, well, actually it's looking much better now. I really like this chart. Cardano is holding. Remember, any close below this area, you will see another leg down to 0.24 cents. So you are bullish here. You want to see Cardano holding this area. And with this volatility, and also if Bitcoin is pumping, is going to help a lot. And you will see continuation, right? Remember, my long-term target is still, as long as this level is holding, my long-term target should be around $1.20, something like that, around there. So, but in the long term, right? I'm talking about maybe all this year. I'll say before, as long as Bitcoin is holding key levels. Right now, I have to be honest, Bitcoin is doing very, very well. Very good, actually. I was last week I was expecting $65,000. Bitcoin hit $66,600. But as you can see here, Bitcoin is just holding, and actually is very good. I saw that many times in the past. Sometimes, especially in 2021, when Bitcoin was just holding for many months, $10,000. Remember, it was like 6 months there, just holding, consolidating, and after that, boom, right, explode all the way up to 60K. So of course, I am not expecting something like very explosive like before, but at least when Bitcoin is holding like this and like 2-3 months, yes, at least another $10,000 move. Let's see. Okay, so let's talk about Solana. Solana, in just in 1-day chart, because in weekly chart, of course, no way I will buy that thing in weekly chart. No, thank you. Okay, in 1-day chart, let's see. Solana. Okay, in 1-day chart, yeah, actually it's holding the MA55 here. Maybe all this week, maybe by the end of the week, you will see a buy signal same as Bitcoin here, and a potential another test to 200. Breaking 200, breaking $200, we will see new ATA. Let me see weekly chart. Weekly chart is doing very good. It's holding again, holding. It will take all the month, but yeah. So Solana actually is doing good actually right now. The market is looking better now. It's looking much better than before. Let's see. Now let's see Quantum here. 1-day chart. Let's see. We have $90 right now. Okay, it's breaking here. Let me see here. Oh yeah, 90. It's just in range here. Any close below $90, you will see another leg down to 50, 60. So that's why you have to be careful. Technically speaking, this is there to buy more, right? But without volume, without momentum, it's gonna be hard. I think eventually this thing could break. So be careful here. Okay, now let's continue with Nvidia. Nvidia long term, right? It was 1,000, yeah, and now actually material hit, as you can see here, and now we have, wow, what is this? We have a potential shot in a star. Look, maybe it looks like this is the top of the market, at least for Nvidia. Let's see. Even with that, the trend is your friend, right? It's very, very far. So the next time you see the 55 tested here, continuation. That's it. The trend is your friend. Well, that's it. It's bullish. Let's talk about this coin because this one someone asked me again about shit coins. But let me see here. This thing is actually right now in one day chart doing actually because the volume is healthy. Like yeah, people they are still buying this thing. So right now there is no signal here. There is no entry since April, formally speaking, with my system of trading. The next time when you see the MI55 here testing here, yeah, it should be a buy opportunity here again. Just be careful here because we have a sell signal here in weekly chart. So that's why if you want to trade one day chart, just keep in mind like it's just one day chart, not holding forever, right? Because with weekly sell signal, it's gonna take a few months, but this thing looks like it's getting ready for a correction. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue. Simon, welcome. Thank you. Let's see. KGN. Okay, let's see. KGN. Okay. Okay, I don't know what is this, right? Let's see. One day chart. Let's start with weekly chart. Let's see. Okay, this is very interesting because it's breaking the MI55, breaking the volume profile here as well. So in the long term, I'm looking for any close below 4.30. You will see a sell-off all the way down to 3, right? Around here. Yeah, looks like it's about to happen. Let me see the momentum. Yes, yeah, no volume here, breaking here. Of course, no shorts. The shorts were here, right? No, thank you here. In that case, I will just wait for this area to be tested. And from here, as you can see here in the past, right, I will start looking for a bounce. Okay, that's it. So let's talk about the one day chart. One day chart here, yeah, looks like it's just dropping. Let me clean up the chart. Yep, yeah. We will see a bolus of variance forming here in one day chart, but it's gonna take time. Looks like this time it's gonna break this area. And from here all the way down to 3.50 and $3. Yep, let's see. In the monthly here, no, yeah, now makes sense. Sell signal in the monthly. So this asset, if you see this asset holding $3, I think, you will see holding just in range for the rest of the year. Something like this. It's gonna be like this the rest of the year. Yeah, in the best scenario because we have a sell signal. Okay. Okay, so now let's continue with Ethereum. Let's see what is doing Ethereum. Last time it was like we saw actually Ethereum was pumping very hard and it's trying to break 3,900. Yeah, the resistance. We have a sell signal here. The best scenario for Ethereum is just holding sideways like Bitcoin for a long time. Let's talk about the monthly. We have a new close here. Actually, this close is very good. It's actually, I really like this close. Closing above the previous body, the candle 3,600. Looks like this one is continuation. As long as it's not breaking 3,400, everything should be fine for continuation. Yep. Let's see the weekly chart. Yeah, actually not bad. I mean, now the market is getting better. Of course, I need to see this month, the close this month, because remember, I am still looking for the better variance in the monthly for Bitcoin, right? But that is something is gonna happen in some point this year, right? So not today, not today, right? So yeah, Bitcoin is still bullish here, and I really like this one, this chart. I opened a short. I'm very happy to be wrong. Well, I didn't take any loss, nothing. I don't know how you can consider if I was wrong. My technical analysis was sideways or downside. In this case, sideways, right? So I don't know. At least I am flat. Well, and I am in profit because I opened a long position like 8 hours ago around here, around $68,000. I am in profit right now, and now I just protected my entry, looking for a break. And as I said before, because the volatility is actually it's interesting. Remember, this is the time when you have to enter to the markets. Every time when you see the low volatility is a time to enter to the markets, right? Not when it's moving, right? It's totally opposite. Like I know many YouTubers, they are telling you, right? Like, yeah, now it's green, buy. No. In my case, it's not moving. Buy or sell, right? Because that is actually the moment where we want to enter. We want to enter before we have a very strong move like this one, right? Imagine like tomorrow Bitcoin is like this, and let me guess, right? Many people will enter here and buy here, right? Now, my job as a trader, I need to enter here when it's about to happen, right? Not after that. That's the point, right? This is the game. Yeah, you have to enter before. Okay, so let's continue with the next one. What is that? Okay, let me see. STLM. Okay. I don't know what is this. Monthly. Okay, let's talk about monthly. Monthly. Wow, beautiful sell. Well, better divergence in the monthly. Okay, so the long-term target should be around 50, 60. The long-term target. As you can see, volume profile is there. Yeah, of course, we'll see bounces in the process, but the long-term area is between 16 and 15. Because we have a monthly sell signal, so I will be just careful looking for longs. I don't think so. This breaking broke the trend. Of course, as I said before, you can expect a bounce here, but this bounce should be a sell opportunity, right? Something like this, bouncing to keep falling. Okay, so now let's continue with weekly chart. Weekly chart is testing the MA55 right now. To be fair, I cannot be like super bearish here because it's testing the MA55. Actually, I maybe some sideways here, like sideways, right, for maybe a couple of weeks, and after that, we can see we will see the next move. For now, is well, holding onto the downside. Yeah, it's not good. Now, on the chart, I told you on the chart. I think that's it. That's it. So, okay, guys, I think the market is not moving well. Right now, finally, Bitcoin is moving. I think the next 24 hours with this volatility in 12-hour chart, we should see a very interesting move. Any closing, right, above, actually this area, 69,500. Any close above this area, you will see a very strong move all the way up to $73,000. Very fast. It's going to be fast, okay? So if you are in long position right now here, actually I saw my channel, some of you are doing very good actually. I am very proud about you. You are learning, right, a lot after what, 2 years, right? It's very good, right? Because it's a long-term game. The thing is, like any close above this area, as you can see here, this is resistance, right? Resistance here, resistance, right? Bitcoin got rejected a few times here in this time frame. Any close above here you will see a very strong bounce to 72, and why not continuation to 74 actually. From there, I don't know. We have to talk about it. So for the update, you realize about this, but I didn't publish any update of my technical analysis because Bitcoin actually was doing nothing, right? Just in the range, doing nothing, right? So that's why I said, okay, so I think it's not, I don't have to do that because Bitcoin actually is just not moving, just $300, right? Okay, so now, right now, of course, it's not, formally speaking, in 1 day chart, we have to wait a little bit more, right? Formally speaking, right? But you are aggressive, right? You want to be aggressive, or as long as Bitcoin is about $67,000 here, with this momentum right now, should be like this, more sideways here, and now I can tell you is to the upside, okay? And to support this technical analysis, we have 12-hour chart with buy signal today, plus volatility contraction here. So this is telling me Bitcoin is about to move, right? About to move, potentially today, tomorrow. Let's see, right? Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And please, if you are in profit, protect your entries, right? Protect your entries, manage your risk, and have a good week.